For one thing, I think I'm turning into a seed junkie. Y'all have to tell me in the comments. Are y'all seed junkies too? It is a very lovely Florida day because it is in the 70s, which is nice because I know by tomorrow it's going to be super hot again and it's overcast. So, and I have done absolutely zero work out here in my garden. So instead of coming out here and doing some work today, I decided I needed some pots to do some transplanting. Some larger pots for some of my herbs, and I wanted them to be kind of in some pretty pots to put outside, so I decided I was gonna go to one of my favorite stores. You guessed it, the dollar store. So I thought it would be nice to just do my haul out here in the garden. Okay, y'all, so I was gonna record this outside and it started raining, and then I came inside and I recorded this whole video, and well, I kind of made a mess of things. So I am going to do this again. So I don't know if I said out there. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up for starting over, y'all. The YouTube life is real. Y'all, let me show you. Y'all, this is the pepper that was turning yellow. It's the bell pepper. And y'all look how deformed and functified it is. I had to go ahead and take it off. I was trying to wait until it turned all the way yellow, but it started getting some rot on it. I'm assuming that's kind of blossom end rot, but this will still be good and I'm gonna cook it. So that's the only, I think that's the only thing I took off. The only thing I took off the plants today or harvested today. All right, so, oh, I did take the Chinese long bean off, which is in my refrigerator now. And I had recorded that piece as well. And y'all, this is the first year that I'm successfully growing the Chinese long bean. So I had to do a little bit of research on there and figure out when to pick it. And you're supposed to pick the Chinese long beans before they start really developing their seeds. That's when it's supposedly best to eat. So I went ahead and I took that bean off, and it was about that long. So, all right, let's move on to the haul. I went to two places. I went to the Dollar Tree and also Dollar General. And y'all know I went there for one thing. I went for some large pots. I went to Dollar General for large pots, and of course, your girl came out with a lot of stuff. All right, it was stuff I needed though. Shh, y'all don't fuss at me, okay? All right, so one of the things that I got, we'll kind of mix it in Dollar Tree and Dollar General. So I went to the Dollar Tree and they had these little Reikis here. And I thought this would be kind of useful for maybe weeding in some of the pots. I don't know. Or even just like moving hay around. I don't know. Or kind of tilling my soil a little bit. I don't know that either. But it looked kind of cool. And I made sure I checked the handle because, you know, sometimes, you know, you get what you pay for when it comes to the Dollar Tree. And so I got that at the Dollar Tree. And then, y'all, they already had their autumn stuff out. Autumn stuff, and the summer hasn't even hit yet. So be on the lookout for that. And so I got some more plant stakes. Y'all know, I love decorating in the garden because I like color and I like moving things around. So that makes container gardening really nice. But here's one of the stakes that I got, and it says harvest with what's this guy? A scarecrow on there. Maybe he'll scare off the squirrels. I doubt it, but. And then this little thing turns here. I don't know why they have this on here, but whatever. Maybe they had it hanging up on there. And then I got another one, and this one is just a pumpkin, and with a little spinny thing there too. I'm gonna take the string off. And then this one, y'all, he fell off already. He wasn't on good, but I can either glue him back on or something. I don't know. Somehow he's going in the garden. And I think it fell off when, well, I'm sure it fell off when it was in my car. So can't really blame the Dollar Tree for that one. Or can we? I don't know. All right, so those are the garden stakes that I got. And then I also picked up some more flexible ties because I've been tying up a lot of things. Y'all know I got like 1,253,000 tomato plants going. So I got some more ties because I need to tie some stuff up. And my loofah plant is going, so I might need to tie that up. If I ever get my sweet potatoes going, I may need to tie up their vines as well. So these ties are gonna come in handy. And it looks like a lot on here, but once you start using it, you'll be like, ooh, maybe I should have got some extras. So I grabbed some extras because my Dollar Tree was kind of stocked up. So, you know, you have to catch them when they're stocked up. And I think in my area, the Dollar Trees stock up on Thursday. So I was thinking today was Friday and today's Thursday. So yippee for me. Now, even though I asked the cashier, I tell them I don't need any bags. Y'all, they always wrap up stuff with bags. They either do that with bags or paper towels, but this lady did bags. And I got this right here. And of course, it's just a little figurine to go inside one of the pots to drive my granddaughter crazy when she comes by. Because, you know, she wants to take some stuff home with her. And it's kind of cute. It has like welcome on there. Let's see that. Welcome. And then I couldn't resist, and I had to pick up another gnome guy because I just love seeing these in my garden. I gotta do a little bit of cleanup out there too because things are, you know, I try to do stuff a little bit every day so I don't have to spend like one day like doing a bunch of stuff. So I have time to do that, so that's what I'm doing. And plus I know I'm trying to like think ahead, like especially with the weather being hot, and I'm gonna have to take extraordinary measures to keep things alive. I'm trying to think ahead, so I know I still need to work on getting the shade cloth together. So that may be something that I'll work on tomorrow. Now I also got some of these containers, and my intention with these is kind of big. You can see, covers my whole face here. Is I've been planting in the little seed cells, and then I'm kind of up potting them to like solo cups. So once I put them in the solo cups, I wanted to have something to sit the solo cups in, and you'll all see that on a future video. And then I just set the solo cups in here. Now, this is what I'm thinking would be nice. It's like just enough of a lip down here at the bottom, where if I fill this at the bottom, it's will be just enough water for the plants that are sitting inside. So I hope that makes sense. As to where if this was closed up and I filled up the water, it could be a little bit higher than I would want it to be. And so I just wanted just enough water, it to sit in just enough water to kind of wick that water up. And I hope I'm explaining it well. I'm trying, y'all. So I got this, and I actually have two of them, but I already used one because I had to up pot some stuff today. And then, y'all know I couldn't help myself. I was at the dollar store and they had some stuff that I haven't seen. Well, I have seen these. I couldn't help myself. I got some seeds. Some more seeds, y'all. I'm doing the seed happy dance because they had some seeds there that I haven't seen there before and that I don't have. So I did pick up some that I do have as well. So let's start here with the Zinnia Semi-Dwarf Pumila Mixed Colors. So I got 2 packs of those. So we got those. And I got some, now I don't have these type of Zinnia. As you can see, how it has like kind of like the fluffy head on it. And so I wanted some of these. So I definitely picked up a few. Y'all probably should pick up more than a few packs of things, but I don't know. I might be doing too much. Y'all think I'm doing too much on my seeds? And in my garden, y'all can let me know. It won't hurt my feelings. If you just say, Liz, you doing too much in that garden. All right, so next we have a perennial mix here. So I got 2 packs of those. Look at all those pretty flowers on there. Perennial mix. And I don't have any of those. And I do have some bachelor buttons, but I don't think I have like the blue bachelor buttons. Yeah, I planted some bachelor buttons, but the way I planted some of them, I don't expect much. But I did plant them in another area and I do expect them to grow. So we'll see, y'all. I'm telling you, everything is like an experiment for me. I know a lot of things are not gonna make it through the summer. I'm gonna do my best to save it. I'm gonna take care of the stuff as much as I can, but there's only so much Lizzie can do. I'm just a baby gardener, okay? And then the next thing I got was some petunias mixed colors, and I don't have any of these. So yeah, I wanted to have more flowers, definitely. As a matter of fact, that's all I had was flowers. I didn't have any vegetables. But I wanted to have more flowers in my garden, so I'm gonna go wild with it, and I'm going to plant lots of flowers and see what comes out. Yeah, my water bill is gonna be $50 trillion this year over the summer. Oh, I got another pack of the zinnias too. I had 3 of them. Okay, and then I have some snapdragons. And these are Snapdragon Tall Rust Resistant Mixed Color. Yeah, what does that mean? I know for us people with color, when we say somebody is rusty, that's like that white crusty stuff where you didn't put no lotion on, the rust comes out on you, that's rusty. So is that the same for a plant? Do plants get rusty? I don't know. We're gonna find out. Well, we won't find out because that is rust resistant. So maybe it has like the lotion built in already. All right, so now, okay. So this is one reason why I know that they had just stocked up, because they had, they had some nice sized flower pots. Cause y'all, the Dollar Tree, when they get pots like this, they go fast. I like the other pots that they have that are a little bit bigger, but you know what? I like these too. And I actually had some of these pots last year, and I grew like some small things like lettuces and stuff. This year I put some marigolds inside some of the pots here, but they're a nice size and they're pretty deep, and they come like in 4 colors. And I think the other color is like a teal color, which I didn't get. I decided I really like the green. So Bobby, I know you're gonna be jealous because I know you like this green. Sorry, girl. So I got all the green ones that they had, and I just wanted 8. I could have got more, but I left some behind, y'all. I did leave some behind, because you know, I don't always do that. You know, it's like the first man gets it. Then I just got this blue, because I do like color, and red. All right, so we got those, but that's not what I went out for to begin with. So what I went out for was to get some really large size containers. And I knew that maybe Dollar General might have some large size containers. So I went there and they did have some. And so I got this big jammy here. It's a very nice size. It does not have what size this is, but that's okay. And it needs holes. They all need holes, and it costs, it costs 10 bucks. Y'all can see that there. And I got 2 of these. Y'all know 10 bucks is way more than I want to pay. If I could have got this free, I would have got it free. But y'all has a really nice design, so this is gonna look nice in my front yard. Cause y'all, I'm gonna be growing in my front yard too. I'm not playing. I'm gonna, if I could get rid of my grass out there, I would. But right now, we're keeping the grass, and I'm just, it's gonna be like a pot haven out there in my front yard pretty soon. I hope my neighbors don't mind. I'm gonna try to keep it neat, but this is a really pretty pot. And the reason why I wanted the big pot is because I have, specifically, I have some sage, and I overseeded the sage. So I have a bunch of plants in this one little pot. And I was watching somebody else's video, and I can't think of the person who I asked how many sage plants they had. But they had like a pot, and it probably was maybe a little bit bigger than this. It might have been a whiskey barrel. And they had sage plants in there, and it was like the sage plants were like this big in the pot. And I asked them how many plants they had in there, and they said they had 2. So I was like, uh-oh, I might need some bigger planters basically for my sage plants and some of the other things that I'm growing. So I decided to just pick up 2 only, and we're just gonna work with those for now. I think I have enough dirt that I can fill up all of these, because y'all, the last time I went to Lowe's, I got like 8 bags of dirt, because I got tired of going to Lowe's every other day to pick up potting soil. I wish I could get it free. I know here in the Orlando area, you used to could go to the not hazardous waste place, but I forgot the name of the place, but you could go and you could get compost for free. But it's been closed since the whole COVID thing, so I haven't been able to go and nab me some free compost, unfortunately. So it is what it is, and I'd rather spend my money on that. Y'all don't spend my money on anything else but the garden. But I ain't gonna lie, the garden is an expense. It's an expense, but I don't go out, I don't buy a lot of clothes, I don't eat out a lot, I don't buy a lot of stuff for my house or anything. So I feel like it's justified because I'm growing some food, and I have been eating out of my garden every single day for like at least a week. So hopefully we're gonna keep doing that for the summer. There's some small harvests, and I think at the end of the month, I'll show everybody my harvest. Oh, by the way, I got 2 of these. So I got another one here. So I got 2 of those. So I was able to get the pots that I got. Y'all, one day I'm gonna go in there and just get what I went for. Cause I probably spent double what I wanted to spend for the day for sure. But I'm kind of okay with that. Cause for one thing, I think I'm turning into a seed junkie. Y'all have to tell me in the comments. Are y'all seed junkies too? I'm seed junkie. And I don't know how to stop myself. And I don't want to. I'm happy. I don't want to go to the 12-step program. But anyway, so I wanted to thank everybody for coming on with me. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up for lovely seeds. So with that, I'm going to say, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.